I accidentally hit pause on my keyboard, and I wanted to finish showing you this before I was done. So before I move on, I should say. So basically I was showing that 1/16. The way I calculate the decimal for that is I type equals 1/16, and then it gives me the decimal. So 1/16 is 0.0625, and if I just use 4.5, my remainder here is 0.04, which is less than a 16th. So 4.5 is a good radius for me. So I'll come back here, and let's see what this looks like. So here, what I've done is I grabbed a cork board that'll give me something to put my thumbtack into, or the fulcrum of my compass for drawing my circle for the waist. So let me switch up to a closer view. So again, this is a folded edge, and this is a folded edge, and this is a folded edge. I can only feel one layer on this because of the way this is folded. Whereas over here, I can see all 4 layers on all these other 2 sides. I can see all 4 layers. So I want to start in the corner where I have this side that's folded and this side that's folded. And I'm going to stick my thumbtack or the fulcrum of my compass right in like the very tippy tip of that corner, so that it's so close to the tip that the width of my compass will probably tear the corner off, because I want to be that close. Okay, so let me find my radius. So I was going to do 4.5. So I'll adjust that, and then place the point of my compass right in that corner. And then draw my circle. Now I want to transfer this circle through to the other layers, and there's a lot of ways to do that. I can take my thumbtack and I can just poke. Let me find my thumbtack. So I can take my thumbtack and I can just poke this, right, and perforate all the way through to the other side. Or I can use my spiky tracing wheel, which seems to be eluding me at the moment. I don't see him in front of my face. All right, let me go search for him real quick. There we go, found him. So I can use my spiky tracing wheel to trace the waist through to the other 4 layers so that I can see it. Now, if this was symmetrical, I wouldn't need to do this, but because my front and my back waist are not the same distance, I'm gonna need to make sure that I indicate where the side seams are. So right now, if I unfold this from this fold to this fold, the circle is the same size on this side as it is on this side. But my front and back waist arcs are different, so this fold is not going to be my side seam. This fold, or this fold, whatever, they're not going to be my side seams. They're going to be My side seams are going to have to shift a little bit towards the back because my front waist arc is larger. So let's deal with that in the next video. Or maybe not that yet. We'll deal with maybe drawing the sweep. At any rate, next video. This one's done.